now, maglalaban na naman ang Mikay at Ferg. How does it feel?
Well, I'm always proud of Mika because she's not just a contestant for me or what do you call this, a co-candidate, but she's a sister because we're both from the Queen Philippines organization, and to be competing with her is such an honor. That is why I super love her, and she's one of the most genuine friends that I have. So,
Mikay, people are telling it's not we have a kapagalit with iba ng candidates, but people are telling it's please the top two. Yan. Oh, manifesting, what is it the top two between the two of you?
I hope because we are praying for na kami talaga yung dalawa na may iwan sa stage, and we are both praying na ay isa sa amin yung matuwi ng corona at mag-represent ng Philippines because we are the Queen of Queen Philippines, and I hope Mother Carrie is very proud of us.
Very proud. You are the two of the most influential trans Pinays in the Philippines right now. What is your promise sa mga tao na nagtitingala sa inyo?
well, first of all, I'd like to thank them because their support fuels my journey. Without them, I wouldn't be here standing right now. And my message for them is that don't worry, marami pa tayong pasabog. I will do everything that I can. All out na all out to. I've done everything that I could. Nilabas ko lahat ng resources. Prepared ako because I want to give you a good show. And at the same time, I want you to be proud of me because you're supporting me. Kaya sa mga Team Kikays at Team Kirk, maraming salamat. Ang journey ito ay para sa inyo.
And to all my supporters, I just want to say thank you because you are seeing me as one of the front runner and also a potential winner. And I'm so happy that I am breaking the stereotype about me that I am not a potential queen. But this time, because of MIQ, I am now getting improved, and my confidence I'm getting working on it, and I can say that there's an improvement, and I can say that it's nice to be back MIQ, and I am here to finish what I've started.
Thank you so much for giving us a very good show. Maraming salamat. We are very much satisfied and happy for the both of you. We hope that one of you will bring the crown of Miss International Philippines 2025. Thank you, Mikay. Thank you, Kurt. Salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much. Thank you.